everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, I'm coming to you with another concept new for the Crafty Corner, and these are our baby bunnies. All right, our baby bunny boxes will have, of course, items for the babies. So I'm going to do a few of these for Easter just to see how they go. And what I did was I picked up these clear bunnies at Walmart, and these are the small ones. All right, we got some grass in the back of him. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the items that I'm gonna put in here, which is gonna be the banana strawberry rice husk and the apple rice husk. All right, these are baby snacks. I also have the apple, banana, blueberry, organics baby food. That will go in there too. And I have checked the expiration on these. This one is 11/28/25. All right, and then the rice husk. Excuse me. Um, 12/22/25. All right, so we're good on our food for the babies. All right, and then I have these onesies, and I just did a little iron on this one that says "Blessed is she." All right, so I'm just gonna take our little onesie, and I'm gonna fold it so that we see the tag. And as you can see, this is the other side of my bunny. It's the front of him. All right, and we're going to flip this upside down and put it in our gift set here. All right, so it will look like this. All right, we also have our little baby booties that will also go in here. And I'm just going to take these off this hanger so that they'll fit, but I'm going to leave the shoe, the form of it, in there. Okay, we're just placing those in there. All right, and then we have our food, of course, that we're going to put in here as well. And I just put these in the other side of our baby bunny gift. All right, and then these little pieces of grass that's hanging out, I'm just going to pull them on out. All right, and this is what our baby bunny gift is looking like. Very cute little gift for the babies. All right. So these these are the baby bunny gifts, and I will put a little tag on the back here that has the onesie size and the rice names of the food items in here for the babies. All right, so please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right, these are our baby bunny gifts. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.